Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Our workshop techs have just pre-commissioned one of our absolute NC press brakes. This one's our SM-PB135 3.2 S series, very popular press brake with our customers. It's actually running in an auto cycle, as you can see at the moment, so it's stroking, and it has a 2-axis NC controller. It's 3200 long, 135 tonne capacity, so perfect for 3mm stainless, 6mm mild steel, and the absolutes, as I said, it's our base model machine, but also very, very, very popular. It controls the Y-axis, which is the down, and also the back. And as you can see there, cycling by itself, Backguage fingers will reposition. As you can see there, retracting out for its next bend. As it slowly goes out, we'll just move behind the machine. And at the back of this machine here, we have an open back system, which is fully guarded by the light guards, and as you can see, nice and bright and illuminated because we put work lights in the back of our machines. The back gauge is a nice little 4-finger adjustable back gauge system, and she's coming down again now to stroke again. Our 135 tonne machine also has a nice big wide throat, or deep throat, sorry, 425mm, heavily reinforced, and has all the features that you need for any sheet metal fabrication jobbing shop. So jump on assetplan.com.au and check our range of press brakes. Thanks and have a great day.